Okay, so now I will show you how you can use Quilbot to create unique content. Although I don't recommend this because it's similar to copying an idea. So I won't recommend this. You can use it to uh, like when you are doing some research for your academic papers and stuff, you can do this. You can find some quality. For example, you have found some quality content about a certain topic, and you want to paraphrase it so that you don't get caught as a copyright. So what you do is just copy and paste it here, and the Quillbot will um, paraphrase it in a way that even paid copywriting, even paid plagiarism checker tools won't be able to distinguish. So let's do it from the scratch. So you can say let's type in Quillbot. So we're in the Quillbot's website. Now, what I want to do is, for example, I found this particular piece worth copying, but I don't want to um, get get it directed by the plagiarism checker tools. So this is my website, so don't worry, I'm not copying anyone. I'm copying from my website. So this is a blog from my website. It says how to become a LinkedIn copywriter. So I have found the introduction a bit interesting, and I want to copy it. So if I directly copy it and use it as my own, it will be detected as plagiarism. Let's open up our paid copyscape checker tool. So if I just copy and paste it here, let's copy the whole introduction. It will get some credit from my account, but it's okay anyway. So here you can see that it has found four results. That means it has already found out where I copied the main text from. So if you click here, you'll see that it's talking about my website. So if I click the compare text, it will show exactly where I copied the text from. You see. So this is the issue of copying directly, um, word by word from a website. So what you can do is you can just copy some part of it and paste it here. So it will not get the whole thing because it's not paid. But anyway, let's just click paraphrase. So it has paraphrased this particular piece into this. So it's a completely different text. Let's read and see that it's completely okay. Getting your foot in the door as a LinkedIn copywriter might be challenging since success in this area requires a certain set of skills and expertise. So it sounds normal. It doesn't sound something that has been rewarded. Writing successful LinkedIn content requires more than just smart headlines and business jargon. You must also have a thorough awareness of the platform as well as your target demographics, demands, and desires. I think it has done a even like better job than my own write up. It sounds, it almost sounds better than what I wrote in the first place. So anyway, let's copy the um, paraphrase version, and let's check whether our copyscape paid plagiarism checker tool can catch the paraphrase version. Let's again log in. Okay, let's go to premium. Let's paste. So you can see that I'm copying this, copy, and I'm just pasting it. So let's remove it, paste. So let's click premium search. Let's see what happens. So you see that it says that there is no results found for the text you pasted. So I have copied this text and used Quilbot to paraphrase it, and it has rewritten it in a way that even paid plagiarism checker tools can catch. So this is something still I won't recommend unless you need it urgently for some academic purpose. I don't recommend it, but this is something um, worth keeping in mind. I hope it helps. Thank you.